Myself, Prabhi Prasad. I'm working as a senior project manager for Project Eekerpolder. With 192 megawatt peak of installed capacity and over 300,000 modules, it spans over an area equivalent to 249 football fields. We implemented shallow trenching down to 15 centimeters and tailored precisely to the ground conditions. A triple-coated V-profile substructure was selected to ensure long-term structural integrity despite aggressive soil environments. This reflects BELECTRIC strength in custom engineering, designing every solution with the site and client in mind.